Use Coin in Aliexpress. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can use coins in Aliexpress. So in order to use your coins in Aliexpress, you can use it as a way of payment method during the checkout process. So first thing, you have to go ahead and log in into your Aliexpress account. So once you're logged into your Aliexpress, that's going to directly take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now first thing, you can just go ahead and select the product and add it to your cart. In my case, I'm just going to select the following product and click on add to cart. Go ahead and select the price, quality and all that, and click on continue in order to add it to your cart. Once the following product has been added to your cart, you need to go to the cart page, or you can just continue shopping, whichever is convenient for you, and then click on the checkout button, and that's going to take you to the order confirmation page where you have to go ahead and enter in the shipping address and a payment method. So as per the payment method, you can use your coin, and using your coin can get you certain amount of discount, and that's basically how you can use your coins on Aliexpress. And the other alternative on how you can actually use your coin is that you can store it, you can use your coin in order to buy certain items or product on Aliexpress. So in this way you can use coins on Aliexpress. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.